Still cooking the old school way in 2025? Sure, it gets the job done, but it's messy, time-consuming, and let's be honest, you probably burn something now and then. That's why smart cooking robots are such a game changer. These all-in-one machines can chop, stir, steam, and even walk you through recipes step by step, with some models adding fresh dishes every week. I've tested the newest ones on the market, and today I'm breaking down the top 5 smart cooking robots of 2025 to help you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Kicking off our list is the HUDABAIDI automatic cooking machine, and I'll be honest, I didn't expect much from this one. It's the cheapest in the lineup at about $380. And yeah, the build quality definitely feels budget. The recipe support is pretty limited too. You won't find 3,000 dishes in the app here. But here's the surprise. This thing comes with a 6-liter pot, which is huge. None of the premium models on this list get anywhere close to that size. If you're feeding a large family, or you like meal prepping for the week, that capacity is gold. Performance-wise, it handles the basics: steaming, frying, stewing, without fuss. Don't expect AI smarts or cloud syncing, but if your priority is volume over bells and whistles, HUDABAIDI is the budget-friendly workhorse. At number 4, we've got the Wonderchef Chef Magic. This one is super popular in Indian kitchens, and honestly, it deserves the hype. It comes loaded with recipes curated by celebrity chef Sanjeev Kapoor. So when you make butter chicken or biryani, it actually tastes authentic, not like some generic international recipe. It's also pretty versatile. It can stir and sauté automatically, which is huge if you're cooking onions or spices and don't want to hover over the stove. It syncs with the cloud for new recipes too, so you're not stuck with just the preloaded ones. On the downside, it's hand wash only, and the app can sometimes lag, which is frustrating mid-cook. But in day-to-day use, the Chef Magic is perfect for people who want real Indian flavors without constant babysitting. And the bonus? It also handles international dishes pretty well, so it's not limited to one cuisine. Now, this one feels futuristic, the Upliance AI cooking assistant. Unlike most robots that just follow a recipe, this one actually thinks a little. The built-in AI suggests ingredient swaps if you're missing something, or it tweaks spice levels based on your preferences. Out of coconut milk, it might suggest cream or a lighter alternative. Want it extra spicy? The AI adjusts. It comes with around 500 guided recipes, which isn't as many as TOKIT, but honestly, that's still plenty for most households. It's also compact, which makes it perfect for apartments or smaller kitchens. The downsides? The jar isn't dishwasher safe, which means cleaning takes a bit longer, and the bowl size is smaller compared to others. But if you're a busy professional who wants smart, interactive help in the kitchen, this one is fantastic. It feels less like a machine and more like an assistant that adapts to you. At number 2 is the Chef Robot Chef Magic. And no, it's not the same as Wonderchef, even though the names are confusing. This one is all about power and versatility. It has 15 different cooking modes, including sous vide and fermentation, which is something most competitors don't offer. It also has a built-in scale, which is a lifesaver for precise baking or portion control. And with a 3.5-liter bowl, it's a solid choice for family-sized meals. I tested this one with a slow-cooked lamb curry, and the results were incredible. Perfectly tender, evenly cooked, and hands-free. Now there are trade-offs. It's big, it's heavy, and since it's a newer brand, there aren't thousands of user reviews yet. But from my experience, this one feels like it was built for people who take cooking seriously and want pro-level features in a home machine. And here's the king of the list, the TOKIT OmniCook C2. If the HUDABAIDI is the entry-level workhorse, the TOKIT is the polished luxury model. It combines 21 cooking functions into one machine: chopping, steaming, frying, blending, even kneading dough. The 7-inch touchscreen is slick and super intuitive, and it comes preloaded with over 3,000 guided recipes, with new ones added weekly over Wi-Fi. That's more variety than most people could ever cook through in a year. The self-cleaning mode is a game changer. You literally hit a button and it washes itself. That alone saves time every day. Now, it's not perfect. The bowl capacity is 2.2 liters, which is small if you're cooking for a big family, and the price, over $1,000, puts it firmly in the premium category. But if you want the best combination of features, reliability, and polish, this is the one. In my kitchen, it's the model that's earned a permanent spot on the counter. So, that's the top 5 smart cooking robots of 2025. From the budget HUDABAIDI to the AI-powered Upliance to the premium TOKIT OmniCook, there's something for every kitchen. Whether you want affordability, authentic recipes, family-sized cooking, or the ultimate all-rounder, the choice is yours. So, which one's going in your kitchen? Team Budget, Team AI, or Team Premium? Drop a comment, hit like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cook smart, eat better, stay crispy.